Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, so this is Teacher Ayan. Today's video, we're going to learn how to transform a number from scientific notation to its standard form. We're going to convert scientific notation to standard form. So this is grade 7 mathematics. This skill is very useful in mathematics and science, especially dealing with very large and very small numbers. So let's get started. So again, balikan natin what is scientific notation. So scientific notation is a way of writing numbers using this form. So we have a times 10 to the power of n, or raised to the power of n, where a is a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Okay, next, 10 is the base and n is the exponent that tells how many places decimal points or point moves. To convert it back to the standard form, we simply move the decimal point depending on the exponent. Okay, example number 1. So kung positive exponent siya, so let's convert this number. So we have 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So paano natin siya convert? Step 1, look at the exponent. Okay, this is our exponent. So ilan yung ating exponent? Okay, very good. 4. So the next exponent is 4, which means the decimal point 4 places to the right. Places to the right. Step 2, move the decimal for saan? Saan natin? Okay, places to the right. So if this is our um, this is our example, 4.5, then 45, naging 450, naging 4,500, hanggang sa naging 45,000. So, ilang uh, decimal places? So, we have 4. Okay, 4 to the right. So, ibig sabihin, 4 to the right. So, from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. So therefore, 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 45,000. Again, 4.5, so we have 4 raised to 4. So from here 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. Example number 2. So we have 3.2 by 10 raised to the power of 6. So first move, or step 1, so move the decimal 6 places to the right. So if you're going to move this one, okay, so from 3.2, magiging 3,200,000. Okay, maging 3,200,000. From here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So our 3.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 3,200,000. So, example in science. Okay, what is the distance between the Earth and the Sun? Yun. So, large number, so pwede natin siyang gawing scientific notation. Or from scientific notation, gawin natin siyang large number. Again, another. What is the mass of the Earth? Okay, so pwede siya scientific notation, pwede rin siya in standard form. Okay, example number 3. What if negative number? So now let us try negative exponent. Example, we have 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Okay, bakit siya negative? Because our final answer is a very small number. So step 1, the exponent is negative 4. So move the decimal places to the left. Again, kung positive, so to the right. Kung negative, to the left. Example, we have this one. 4.5. Okay. Naging 0.45. Naging 0.045. Naging 0.0045 hanggang sa naging 0.0045. So, anong ginawa? Okay, move negative 4. So, sa line number, so ang ating negative number is going to right. So, therefore, from here, okay, from here, so we're going to move 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, ulitin natin. So, from here, 1, from here, 1, hindi ko yung pencil. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya naging negative 4. Okay, so 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of negative 4 is equal to 0.00045. Ang example nito ay ang mga bakterya na hindi natin nakikita sa ating mata. So gagamitan natin ng microscope. Okay, another. We have this one. Example, 7 raised to the power of 10, again, sorry, 7 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6. Again, pag negative, move the decimal places to the left. So, from 7, okay, so nag-move tayo ng ilan? Ilang places? 6. So, from here, okay, from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's why 7 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 is equal to 0.000007. Okay, tips. Pag sinabi ring positive exponent, move decimal to the right. Okay, pag sinabi nating negative exponent, move the decimal to the left. And always count the exact number of places based on the exponent. Okay, so nakuha po. So, and that's how you transform scientific notation into standard form. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math lessons. So hanggang sa muli, so this is Teacher Ian. See you in the next video.